Welcome to the final video of roller chain conveyor in which we will perform motion study on roller chain conveyor. So let's start. Select part and click OK. We will first make a package, sketch and make a rectangle. Now click on smart dimensions. Make this line as 200 mm and similarly make the dimension of this line as 200 mm also. Now go to features, select extruded boss and extrude this part up to 200 millimeter. Select OK. Now for appearance, I am applying this color. Now save this part as pack. We will be using it in our motion study analysis. Now open the roller chain conveyor that we have built in our previous video and import the pack here. Click on mate. Select the bottom surface of the pack and the second roller. Okay, now select motion study. Select your motion analysis. Drag this up to 9 second, 8 second. Select setting and make this frame per second up to 35. Now select contact. Drag this bar down. Select this option and then in this window select the part and in the second window select all these bars, all these rollers, 24 rollers, one by one. Click OK. Now select gravity. This is the most important and most confusing part of the video. In gravity feature, select any side of the box and see this green arrow. This is the direction of motion. If I select this edge, then the direction will be like this. Select different edges and see the direction carefully. This is not the direction, but this is the direction we want our package to move. Okay, so now select this as 50. Click OK. And now select calculate. Now start moving. I think we should increase the time from 8 to 10. Let's see, calculate. Now I think we should reduce the time to 9. Now select calculate. So after the motion study, we will be making animation of this roller chain conveyor. This is perfect. 9 second was okay. Now select this save animation. Select frame per second as 30. Select this 16:9 HDTV. Click on save option. Click on OK. If you find this whole series of videos helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you think that this video is helpful, then please share it to your friends as well. Thank you.